Chapter 6 Animals and Birds. Mrs. Kusum. Which is the tallest animal? Ashima.
Giraffe is the tallest animal.
What are the animals living in jungle called?
Animals living in jungle are called wild animals.
Name a few animals that give us milk.
Cow, buffalo, goat, etc. give us milk.
Name a few animals that carry loads.
Ox, horse, camel, donkey, pony, etc. carry loads.
What helps the bird to fly?
Wings help the birds to fly.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock is our national bird.
How do birds eat?
Birds eat with their beak.
Which is the largest bird?
Ostrich is the largest bird.
Which animals and birds are kept at home as pets?
We keep dog, cat, parrot, etc. as pets.
Which is the heaviest land animal?
Elephant is the heaviest land animal.
Which birds give us eggs?
Hen, duck, etc. give us eggs.
Which is the national water animal of India?
Dolphin is the national water animal of India.